The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 25, The Gateway to Every Direction, manifested by Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara. O Akshayamati, thus Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara greatly benefits sentient beings through his transcendent power. For this reason, sentient beings should always turn their thoughts to him. If any woman wanting to have a baby boy pays homage and makes offerings to Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, she will bear a baby boy endowed with good merit and wisdom. If she wants to have a baby girl, she will bear a beautiful and handsome baby girl who has planted roots of good merit and will have the love of sentient beings. Akshayamati answered, saying, O Bhagavat, it is great. Namo Avalokiteshvara. The Buddha said, if there is anyone who holds to the name of Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, and anyone who pays homage to him and makes offerings even for a moment, the merit of these two people will be equal and the same. It will never be extinguished after hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of kalpas. O Akshayamati, those who hold to the name of Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara will attain such benefits of immeasurable and limitless merit. The Bodhisattva Akshayamati addressed the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, how does Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara wander through this Saha world? How does he teach the Dharma for the sake of sentient beings? What of his power of skillful means? The Buddha said to Bodhisattva Akshayamati, O son of a virtuous family, if there is any land where sentient beings are to be saved by the form of a Buddha, Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara teaches the Dharma by changing himself into the form of a Buddha. To those who are to be saved by the form of a Pratyeka Buddha, he teaches the Dharma by changing himself into the form of a Pratyeka Buddha. To those who are to be saved by the form of a Shravaka, he teaches the Dharma by changing himself into the form of a Shravaka. To those who are to be saved by the form of Brahma, he teaches the Dharma by changing himself into the form of Brahma. To those who are to be saved by the form of Shakra, he teaches the Dharma by changing himself into the form of Shakra.